How to register an account for your Exponaut exhibitor booth. Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps of registering an account for your virtual booth on Exponaut. Let's dive in. Open your preferred web browser and visit expo.exponaut.me. Click on the event of your choice. On the event page, locate the exhibitor registration button on the lower left corner and click on it. Complete the Become an Exhibitor form. Check your email. The first email is to verify your email address. If it's not in your inbox, please check your spam folder. The second email will guide you in setting up your password. After creating an account, visit portal.exponaut.me to log in and start filling out your exhibitor booth.